What happens when you put salt in the corners of your house? It wards off bad luck. Adding a handful of sea salt to the corners of a room where people come over and spend more time helps keep the evil eye and bad luck away. It absorbs negativity and prevents you from having nightmares. Pour a little sea or coarse salt in a bowl or small glass container and place it in the corners of your bedroom to sleep better and nightmare-free. When the water evaporates, throw away the salt and replace it. It protects the whole house. If you place some salt in the extreme corners of your house, you will create a protective shield to keep negative energies away. It refreshes the energy around you and attracts prosperity. If you create small fabric bags with salt and place them in each corner of your house, you will be ready to refresh the energy around you.